the shortest goalkeepers actually in this tournament. Meanwhile, just come down for Osimhen, but now it has done. 2 bites at the cherry and 2 goals for Nigeria. Lopez to try and keep it out, which he can't do. Right in the corner, and Nigeria lead 4-0. Michael, Lazarus. So simple, wasn't it? Osimhen, the scorer, was wonderful football. Osimhen.
He was stopped on the edge of the box, and again there's danger. And Osimhen is onside. Is he going to do it this time? Yes, he is. 1-0 Nigeria. It's the man who can't stop scoring. His 4th of the competition.
Goalkeeper thought about coming. Osimhen would have got there first anyway, and he might punish them, and he has. Bottom corner. That's why he's the leading scorer in the tournament. That's his 5th. He left rolls on the seat of his pants. It's a great cross. Goalkeeper missed it, and Osimhen helps himself and puts Nigeria into the quarter-finals. Substitutions. Oh, he's round the back again. Osimhen is on a hat-trick. He's found it. What a goal that is! That was nonchalant. Made it look ridiculously easy. A hat-trick for Osimhen. Lazarus. Northbound Ƙwallaye, and that was Victor Osimhen. Who else would it be? 28 minutes gone, and someone against the run of play. Nigeria have the lead, and it's him again. Nigeria number 9. So here he goes to effectively put Nigeria in the final. Coolly done. Keeper went one way, ball went the other. So it's a great ball, and it's been absolutely buried by a player who is now the top scorer